Okay, chapter 2, acid, bases and salts. Now the topic is how strong are the acid or base? Basic solutions. Okay, how strong acid or basic solution? How we can find out whether your acid is strong or weak? Okay, to know this we are having one pH scale. Okay, pH scale means we are having the value of pH. One paper is there that is known as your pH paper. Okay, this pH paper, ऐसा होता है pH paper, है ना? Then one chart is there. The chart is having the pH 0 to like 40. Okay, so if we are going to, we have taken this pH paper and if we are going to put one drop of HCl in it. Okay, as we put one drop of HCl, then the color changes to red. Then in the chart, different 1, 2, 3, 4, that pH number is written and the color is there. Here it is red in color. Okay, slowly the color decreases. Okay, then 3, 4 it become orange, and as we go down, green, then blue, dark blue and violet. Okay, so as we put HCl over there, then color changes to that. What is written? 1 is written, means its pH is 1. Okay, originally what is pH? pH is the negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration, means how much hydrogen ion concentration is there. That is going to be calculated with the help of pH. But what you have to see, you have to only find out the pH scale, means we are having the 3 categories they are made for this, 0 to 6. If the pH value is 0 to 6, we called it as a acidic solution. Okay, solution is acidic. From, if it is 7, then we called it as a neutral. Okay, if pH from 8 to 14, then it is basic in nature. Clear now? Now see, 0 to 6 means 0 means it is a strong acid, and as we are going here, your acidic character decreases. Okay, 0 to 6 means if it is 0, 1, 2, then it is a strong acid, 3, 4 moderate acid, and 5, 6 weak acid. In the 7 is neutral, the color will be green. Then 8, 9 weak base, 10, 11 moderate base, and 12 to 14 is the strong base. Okay, so this is your division of pH scale. With the help of this, we will get the number. According to the number, we can find out whether your acid is strong, weak, base is strong or weak. Clear now? So what is there? 0 to 2, it is strong acid. Okay, 3, 4 moderate acid, and 5, 6 weak acid. Clear? In the same manner, if your pH is 8 and 8 to 9, then it is weak base. Okay, because as we are going here, basic character increases but acidic character decreases. So it is weak base. Then 10 to 12 moderate, and 10 to 11, and 12 to 14 strong. What it is? Base. Clear now? So with the help of this, we can find out whether your acid is strong or the base is strong or weak. Okay, then the one formula is given. Now it is not in the course, but I am writing. Okay, your pH means power of H plus ion concentration. It is called as the potence of hydrogen ion. Okay, pH is the negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. That is square bracket told us about the molar concentration. Molar concentration means your H plus ion in, this is going to tell you moles per liter. Okay, how many number of ions of H plus are there, then that is known as your pH. Okay, then come to the application of pH in everyday life. Importance of pH in everyday life. It is the subtopic of pH scale. What is their importance of pH? in everyday life. Okay, now see in the importance of pH. First is, are plants and animals are pH sensitive? Yes, you know about the acid rain. ठीक है, acid rain में क्या होता है? If in the atmosphere NO2, SO2, if the concentration will increase and rain will come, then they are going to dissolve in water. अपन ने पढ़ा है, non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. It is going to give HNO3. This will give H2SO3. In the same manner, SO3 is there, then H2SO4 will form. And when they are going to mix with river water, है ना, river water में मिला तो क्या हो गया? Your river water is going to be acidic. Clear now? And see, your aquatic animals are much more comfortable if your pH range will be 7 to 7.8. Okay? And because of acid rain, what will happen? If the acid rain is there, then the solution become acidic. If the solution become acidic, then pH is going to be decreases. And if it is going to be less than 5.6, then aquatic animal cannot survive comfortably. Okay, so acid rain causes animal will be uncomfortable here. ठीक है, अब दूसरी चीज देखो, अब ये तुम्हारा प्लांट है यहाँ पर, है ना, ठीक, एसिड रेन हुई, योर सॉइल इज गोइंग टू बी एसिडिक. सॉइल एसिडिक हो गई, प्लांट में क्या होगा? एसिड आ जाएगा और पत्तियां जल जाएगी, है ना. टू स्टॉप दिस, व्हाट द फार्मर्स आर डूइंग, दे आर गोइंग टू पुट बेस ओवर देयर, है ना. एसिड है तो क्या होता है? बेस डाल दो. एसिड प्लस बेस, सॉल्ट प्लस वाटर मीन्स न्यूट्रलाइजेशन इज देयर. बेस मीन्स योर फार्मर आर गोइंग टू स्प्रेड लाइम वाटर. ठीक है, they will spread lime water over the soil, so soil will become slightly alkaline. Slightly alkaline soil is good for plants. Okay, now the second one is pH in our digestive system. See, in digestive system what is there? ये गया, ये तुम्हारा स्टमक, है ना. ठीक है, खाना कहाँ गया? दिखाया अपन ने, फूड विल गेट इनसाइड. ठीक है, जैसे ही अंदर जाएगा, व्हाट विल हैपन? द ग्लैंड्स आर देयर विच आर गोइंग टू सिक्रेट HCl. एज द HCl is secreted, then as the HCl is secreted over there, then the medium is going to be acidic. In the acidic medium, some enzymes become active and they start digesting it, है ना. अब अपन रोज बढ़िया हलवा पूरी खा रहे हैं, भजिए मस्त, है ना. अब ज्यादा हलवा पूरी खाने से क्या होगा? Enzymes or more amount of acid will be secreted over there. As more amount of acid is secreted, because the food digestion needs more acid. Okay, they are heavy food. As the food is heavy, what will happen? More acid is secreted. If daily we are going to eat this, then what will happen? Your HCl secretion will be more, and this secretion, excess secretion of acid in the stomach, causes pain and irritation. What they are causing? The excess secretion of acid in the stomach causes pain and irritation, and this process or this is known as your acidity. Acidity हो जाती है ना. क्या होता है acidity में? The secretion of acid is more. ठीक, अब एसिडिटी हो गई. अगर बहुत ज्यादा एसिड होता है तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है? द अल्सर विल बी देयर. अल्सर सुना है ना? अल्सर मतलब पेट में छाले हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि जो यहाँ पे मेम्ब्रेन होती है वो उस पे अफेक्ट करने लगती है. एसिड जो उस मेम्ब्रेन को अफेक्ट कर देता है, और अल्सर विल बी देयर. ओके, तो अब तुमको एसिडिटी होने लगी. एसिडिटी को रोकने के लिए क्या पी लेते हैं अपन? इनो, है ना. इनो में क्या होता है? इनो कंटेन्स NaHCO3, सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट, विच इज अ वीक बेस. ठीक है, वीक बेस है. वीक बेस पिया, क्या होगा? एसिड न्यूट्रलाइज होगा. ठीक, फिर तुमने खाना खाया, फिर से ज्यादा एसिड सिक्रेट हुआ, देन again acid will be neutralized. If daily if we are going to eat eno, then what will happen? The stomach become alkaline. Stomach कैसा हो जाएगा? अल्कलाइन हो जाएगा. तो थोड़े दिन बाद तो डाइजेशन ही मुश्किल हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So in place of eno, what the another medicine has come, that is known as milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia. This milk of magnesia is metal hydroxide. What it is? The aluminium hydroxide और है ना, खास करके जो रहता है वो मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड होता है इसमें. क्लियर. दिस इज प्रेजेंट इन डाइजीन. डाइजीन का नाम सुना है. तो मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है उसमें. नाउ दिस मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड न्यूट्रलाइजेज द एक्सेस एसिड प्रेजेंट इन द स्टमक. है ना, सादे एसिड को न्यूट्रलाइज नहीं कर रहा है. किसको न्यूट्रलाइज कर रहा है? ओनली एक्सेस एसिड प्रेजेंट इन द स्टमक. ओके, सो इट इज बेटर देन इनो. Clear now? So as the excess acid will be neutralized, your acidity problem will be over. Clear now? Okay, thank you.